Hi, I welcome you to the program Mastering YouTube. In this video, let me share some useful tips and facts for creating a professional YouTube channel and how to watch your own growth and earnings. You could see enormous number of channels floating around on different categories in YouTube. Here are some unbelievable facts for you about YouTube. Approximately 300 hours of video uploaded in YouTube per minute. 1 billion active users each month. Google YouTube paves the way for people to earn passive and even active incomes. But it's not so easy to earn tomorrow when you create a channel today. Some channels reach a lot of viewers in a month, some in a week, or some in the next day. It all depends on the content and the audience you target. In my learning path, I came across few strategies to be followed for making a professional YouTube channel. So I split these strategies into 3 parts. Part 1, decide your theme and design your brand. Part 2, create your good content and edit wisely. Part 3, upload in YouTube and promote your channel. Watch your own growth. These strategies are applicable for channel which is of narration or presentation type, but not for performance type like dance, music and dramas. So if you are a person who decides to create a channel of presentation type, you are in the right place to watch this video. So let's start with the part 1 now. Decide your theme and design your brand. This is the first and the most important strategy which decides your channel's audience and growth. For example, if you'd like to create a YouTube channel for children to teach, share rhymes, stories, etc., your theme would be rhymes and stories and your category would be education and your audience is children. You should choose a wise theme with respect to the content you have. Once you have decided this, you have to decide your own channel name or brand name relevant to the theme and the audience you cover. In the above mentioned example, your audience is children. So you need to select a name which attracts children. The channel name Laugh and Learn. This will mostly attract most of the children. Now it's time to design a unique logo and a cover picture for your channel. Stat says channels which has appropriate picture attains a lot of viewers than the channel which doesn't. I'll share a separate video how to design your own logo and picture using Adobe Photoshop software. So now let's think your brand name is decided and also your pictures are ready. It's time to prepare the content, the most essential part. I would like to continue this particular section in the part 2 because we have to detail a lot about it. I hope you gained some ideas from this presentation as an initial step to start a presentation-oriented YouTube channel. In the next part, I am going to explain how to create a good content and edit it wisely. Also, I am going to explain you the editing tools which you can use for your presentation. Like and do comment in the comment section if you have any queries. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow all my presentations out here. Thank you.